Hi Team Tuesday. Do you like the name Team Tuesday? Are you a fan? Are you not? Let me know. Will suggested it. Anyway, today I'm making a video to let you know that there's no video this week, except for this video letting you know that there is no video. I've got a sick kid and I just wasn't able to get anything edited in time, so I guess that's just life. This is also an important update. I am actually going to be moving to posting fortnightly instead of weekly, just for a while as a trial run, to give me more time to create some videos that are more tailored to your needs and just making better stuff. So I actually would love some suggestions from you about things that you want help with, whether it be specific tutorial requests or things that you're struggling with, or just like if you're not feeling motivated, let me know that, because I can make a video to help with that too. So let me know in the comments. I don't know why I'm pointing down. Let me know in the comments what you want to see in future from Ruby Tuesday art. Also, maybe add a PS whether you like Team Tuesday or not. I don't know if I'm a fan myself. Chat to you in a fortnight or next week. Haven't decided when I'm starting.